Hello guys, today I want to show you one way to optimize your activity layouts for the case that you rotate your screen when you use the app. And well, maybe you know this problem. You work hard and for a long time to create your perfect layout, but then when you rotate your phone, well, it doesn't look the same and it's very ugly. So that's why I show you today one way to avoid this problem. And well, therefore I created this little activity here. And now, like you see, when I rotate the phone, the screen rotates and then everything is all right. And now I want to show you how to do it. So let's go. And like you know, we start with the same procedure as always. At first we create a new project. Then we change the constraint layout to a relative layout. Then we delete this text view, and here we can insert an image view, and therefore I just use this IC launcher foreground. Then we place it in the center of the screen, center and parent true, and then we can also insert 3 buttons. We give it a width of match parent and a height of 50 dp, and we place the button below the image view. Then we can copy this one and paste it 2 other times. So then we have 3 buttons. We name this one button 2 and this one button 3, and well, we place this one below button and this one below button 2. Then we give it, just for this tutorial, a margin top, or all of them a margin top of 20 dp. So when we rotate the screen, the last button will disappear. And now I can show you how this looks. Landscape, you see there are only 2 buttons and the third one is here below the border of the screen, so we can't see it, and therefore we need a new layout file. Well, there are also other ways to avoid this problem, but today I will show you one very easy way, which requires more work maybe, but well, it's very easy and it functions always. So you click here to create a landscape variation, and like you see now, it created another layout file and puts it here in the directory for activity main. And here you can do what you want, whatever you want. So for example, you can, like I did in my first activity, you can center this one just horizontal, and now there are all 3 buttons shown here in this activity. But you can also do other stuff. You can also place the buttons, well, maybe left of the image view, for example, and this one here and this one below. You can do what you want, and at the end you see how it looks at the end. This is very nice. So I hope it helped you with your own apps. If it did, leave a like, subscribe my channel, and well, see you later.